Hi, in front of me is Poco C65 and today I would like to show you how you can manage all text correction options. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Then tap on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gbird. Following that, just click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!